朗誦節想揾 Edwin 哥哥幫手，好簡單啫，快啲填咗下面張 form，同我哋 book 一個上堂嘅 appointment 啦，或者可以選擇我哋嘅網上自學教材喎。仲有記得 like、share 同埋 subscribe 我哋嘅 YouTube channel 啦。喺呢度同大家上一堂咬字訓練先。喲
Hello，我係黃哥哥，我翻嚟啦。今日第二集啊，咬字訓練，第三集教你聲線感情，第四集教你面部表情。今日係第二集，一定要識讀晒呢首詩啲字先教你點去玩呢首詩。點樣去玩呢？就第三、第四集教你啦。咁但係咧咬字嗰方面睇睇呢首詩有冇啲好困難嘅先，好冇？好啦，第一個字 The soldiers came，The soldiers 應該都難你唔到嘅，你高年班噶啦嘛，而家咪 soldiers 呢個字應該啦 ，came 啦，唔好讀 come 啦，當然 OK。by 邊個咧 ？by John 呢個字有兩個讀法，有啲人讀 a god，有啲人讀 a god，咁 OK，我就讀 a god 啦。by John a god 就係咁啦，OK。好啦，The soldiers came，好講先呢首詩。before 我開始教呢首詩，呢首詩係好熱血嘅。即係如果你揀咗呢首詩，你真係要好熱血嗰個感覺。但係點樣去熱血法咧？亦都俾我賣個小關子。第三集先教你點樣去熱血法。今日睇睇咬字，OK，即係但係個意思真係好好嘅呢首詩，真係非常之咁好呢首詩。我驚我自己好中意，其實出過幾年㗎啦，因為我教咗好多次啊。咁啲小朋友要做得好，一定要真係好熱血嗰個感覺，OK，有少少 sad 嘅，有少少熱血嘅感覺，OK。不過出嚟我睇埋字先。The soldiers came and dropped their bombs，OK，dropped dropped 嗱呢個唔係 drop it 啊，唔使劈出嚟噶，dropped 就可以啦。There 好簡單啦 ，there 應該 OK。好啦，呢個字我拍心口話俾你聽，係個 B 音係唔讀出嚟噶，真係唔好讀 bombs。bombs 有啲學校老師唔知做咩教你個 B 音要走出嚟啊。MB 喺英文裏面啦，OK。MB 呢個 B 字係一定唔讀出嚟噶，OK。咁除咗 bomberman 嗰個 bomber 嗰個位啦，OK。所以後面如果有啲字跟住尾嘅先讀出嚟啦，咁但係唔好講呢個字啊。但係今日呢個字係 bomb，咁係唔需要讀出嚟噶，bombs 咁就可以啦，就唔使 bombs 咁樣噶，唔要後面嗰個 B 噶，bombs，OK。And dropped their bombs，小心啲啦，OK。The soldiers didn't take 有 K 音，好多人都甩咗呢個。didn't take long，唔好聽。didn't take long，take long，聽到個音就出嚟啊。To bring the forest 有個 S 音，小心啲。The forest down，好啲人變咗 forest down 唔好聽。The forest down，小心啲咬字啦 ，OK。嗱仔，我明㗎呢首詩，啲高年班你識讀呢字嘅 forest 我識讀，down 我識讀 ，OK。但係玩朗誦咧 ，make sure 你啲字係一定要 perfect 㗎 ，OK。To bring the forest down 咁樣啦。好，繼續落 with， 好多小朋友會讀 with 個 F 音，唔好用 F 音，用 TH with 係 TH 嚟㗎，OK。With the forest gone，with the forest gone。The birds are gone，OK，咬字應該清晰嘅。With the birds gone，who will sing their song？Who will sing their song？OK，好啦，因為我啲感情湧緊出嚟啦，但我要抑壓住啲感情，唔好俾佢湧出嚟先。因為第三集先教你點樣去感情去演繹呢件事，OK。但係到第二段啲感情已經要逼出嚟㗎啦，仔知唔知 ？OK，希望你明我講咩啦。你玩開朗誦幾年嘅話，應該去明白呢首詩嘅感情要點樣逼出嚟㗎啦。好啦，繼續睇埋落先，唔講感情字，今日就係睇咬字啫。今日咬字訓練第二集，OK。But the soldiers forgot，好簡單啦。To take 有 K 啊嘛。The forest out of，聽到啊 out of 啊 TOF 啊，就冇 out of，冇 out of 係 out of the people's hearts。People's hearts，OK，out of the people's hearts。The soldiers forgot 個 T 音小心啲 ，forgot，OK，to take the birds，又亦都講一次 out of 就冇 out of，冇 out of，唔係錯嘅 ，out of 係絕對啱嘅添，OK，字典都可能讀 out of 嘅，如果你兩個字分開查嘅話，OK，但係當佢擺埋咗之後咧，我哋好多時咧會叫連音字啦，黐埋咗啦 ，OK。Out of 個 TOH 啦 ，out of the people's dreams 有個 S 音，小心啲喺最後啊 ，OK。And in the people's dreams，the birds still sing their song，OK，就係咁啦。唉，大家我要抑壓住啲感情出嚟。因為呢好激㗎呢個第三段啊仔，如果你識玩呢首詩，好激㗎第三段真係要做到好激、好 passion、好熱血嘅呢件事，OK？希望你做到啦，我覺得你做到嘅。睇第三集你就明點樣做，第四集做埋面部表情，你完全明點樣熱血法啦，OK？但係今日第二集咬字訓練，make sure 你識讀晒啲字先，OK？ 好，第四段 OK。Now the children are planting seedlings，seedlings OK，小心啲呢個字啦，唔好 seeding，成之好多人讀錯呢個字。總之係 seedlings，seedlings OK，個 D 音可以唔出嘅，就唔使 seedling，唔使 seedling 嘅，就咁 seedlings，seedlings 就可以啦。OK，are planting seedlings to help the forest，有 ST 音上啲，好多人都甩嘅呢個 ST 音。OK，to help the forest grow again。OK，forest 小心啲啊。forest grow again，OK，繼續 they eat 個 eat 嗰度黐埋少少就冇 eat simple 唔好聽啊 eat simple 聽嘛 eat simple they eat a simple meal 嗱呢個字好難讀，雖然好簡單，但係好多人讀錯。變咗 meal，meal，M-I-L-L，meal，佢唔係 meal 或者 milk 嗰個 meal，佢唔係奶嗰個 meal，佢係 meal，meal，OK，simple meal，simple meal，有個 E 口嘅 E 氣，OK，they eat a simple meal of soft rice，聽到個 soft 有個 T 音，就唔好 soft rice，唔好 soft rice，係 soft rice，soft rice，繼續 wrapped，OK，in banana leaf，wrapped。呢個唔使 rapid 啦，好多時候讀錯，唔知點解 rapid 啦，唔使 PED 出嚟嘅，就咁 wrapped 個 D 音就得啦。wrapped in banana leaf 呢個 F 音嚟㗎。繼續落 and the land welcomes their smiling like a 黐埋一齊讀，就唔好 like a shower 唔好聽，係 like a shower。smiling like a shower of rain 就係咁啦。點解我咁嘅感情？因為我要抑壓住啲感情，淨係咬字俾你聽，但係因為我覺得太有感情呢首詩，太好啦！呢首詩就係、anyways，如果你揀咗呢首詩嘅話 make sure 你真係夠熱血去做到呢件事 ，OK， 即係好 powerful 嘅成件事 ，OK， 亦都好感人嘅成件事。咁個意思嗰方面就今日唔多解釋俾你聽啦，第三集先講多啲俾你聽啦。OK， 今日係第二集咬字訓練呢個 video， 起碼要睇咗5、6、7、8次。OK，make sure 你識讀晒每一隻字，唔係淨係識讀啲字啲尾音啊，幾時要連音啊，嗰啲 out of 嗰啲位啊 ，OK， 嗰啲 th 位啊 ，forest 嗰啲 st 音尾音啊 ，make sure 你係 perfect 啦，你每一隻字都好肯定點樣讀啦，咁你就可以睇我第三集教你點樣去玩呢首詩啦，好唔好 ？OK， 好，我喺胡哥講咗咁多，交到你繼續訓練，係咁啦，拜拜。
哇，睇到最後喎，咁即係學到嘢啦。朗誦節想得到好成績，要留意以下呢3點 ：clarity of speech、interpretation、audience awareness。你啱啱睇過咧，就係我哋網上自學教材嘅其中一課喎，仲有好多要學耐㗎，例如面部嘅表情啦，同埋聲線嘅感情喎。Evan 哥哥為大家準備咗一連串嘅朗誦 workshop， 快啲填咗下面張 form， 同我哋 book 一個 appointment 啦，或者選擇我哋嘅網上自學教材。仲有記得啊 ，like、share 同埋 subscribe 我哋嘅 YouTube channel 啦。朗誦節祝你好運！